Medical imaging data has the power to unlock new innovations in clinical research. But ingesting diverse real-world data from multiple sources, processing that data, and maintaining compliance can consume your time and valuable resources. Flywheel streamlines medical imaging management for more efficient, more collaborative, and more impactful research. It's the only comprehensive platform that accelerates imaging data aggregation, curation, management, and analysis, computation and AI development, collaboration, and compliance. Flywheel makes data ingestion effortless. Whether you use our instrument connectors, bulk packs tooling, or our easy-to-use drag-and-drop case uploader, Flywheel supports rapid and automated data capture solutions designed for medical imaging. From the moment you're onboarded, data can be aggregated in minutes. You can easily filter data by factors like modality, sex, or age using advanced search. Custom templates fetch structured metadata on demand, and Flywheel's configurable de-identification ensures your data is compliant from the start. Bring your own data into Flywheel with our drag-and-drop uploader. Providing real-time progress updates and high-level details about file names, counts, and total sizes. Easily track the progress of imports via the detailed import log, which also allows for duplicate data conflict resolutions directly from the UI. You can accept, reject, or retry file uploads, with transparent logs highlighting any issues encountered. Flywheel's platform enables users to efficiently organize, label, and annotate imaging data. Through a built-in radiology-grade viewer, users can extract qualitative or quantitative information, perform blind reader studies, and standardize workflows with custom labels and forms. Our viewer now supports 3D rendering, segmentations, PET fusion, and total metabolic tumor volume calculations to support oncology research. With a flexible and robust platform designed to support multiple therapeutic areas such as oncology, neurology, and ophthalmology, Flywheel delivers unparalleled functionality, empowering life sciences companies, academic centers, and AI developers to get the most out of their imaging data. Flywheel's out-of-the-box packaged algorithms, called Gears, expedite the transformation of real-world data into ready-to-use assets. These gears are easily linked to create curation pipelines or gear rules, automatically tagging and processing files based on customizable rules. Configure custom gear rules in your Flywheel project to target specific parts of your data hierarchy. This automatically extracts relevant information as soon as the data lands in the system, enhancing your data readiness for immediate use. Flywheel offers a built-in radiology-grade viewer for reviewing newly uploaded data across multiple therapeutic areas, including 3D rendering of 2D images such as this chest image. Our viewer also supports RT-struct and multi-label segmentation capabilities. Flywheel has developed key ophthalmology features for OCT and fundus images as well. We also offer advanced ultrasound support as well as total metabolic tumor calculations directly in the viewer. Flywheel's Flexible Reader Study module empowers users to build custom image interpretation workflows, ranging from initial image review, inclusion-exclusion criteria evaluation, ground truth generation, and AI model output feedback. Easily review multiple experts' data to ensure optimal input for model development and refinement. Once your data is organized, you're ready to analyze. Flywheel's container-based infrastructure unlocks enterprise-scale batch processing for data harmonization. With our Gear Exchange, you can leverage out-of-the-box imaging pipelines aimed at expediting the path from raw to ready, all while ensuring data provenance and version control. The Flywheel platform integrates seamlessly with Jupyter Notebooks for model development. Create and launch an ML workspace directly from your Flywheel project, allowing for automated synchronization of data and permissions while developing algorithms. Flywheel offers a 21 CFR Part 11 compliant platform designed for secure collaboration. Easily invite collaborators while ensuring standardized workflows and compliance with HIPAA, GDPR, and regulatory guidelines. By using our validated core offering, you get fully provenanced datasets, audit trail reports, and SOP-defined image workflows, ensuring regulatory readiness for IRBs and beyond. Flywheel scales to meet your needs, whether managing data within your lab or collaborating globally. Our platform provides tools for data management, curation, and computation in a secure environment. With features like audit logging and e-signatures, you can trust Flywheel to meet the highest compliance standards. Flywheel enables secure collaboration through mechanisms to share golden data sets and developed algorithms. You can convert your algorithms into gears to share with colleagues or across the Flywheel community via our Gear Exchange. And export curated datasets to share with others and invite collaborators to your projects with ease. Our custom invitations ensure a streamlined onboarding process for new users. Compliance and traceability are at the core of Flywheel's capabilities. Every file is versioned with a complete version history for transparency. And you can always revert to a previous version when needed. All changes are also tracked via our audit trail module, and a full audit trail report can be exported. This is helpful for outside audits and other regulatory circumstances where you need a complete picture of what has happened in the system. You can secure your projects with multi-factor authentication, locking data to prevent unauthorized changes and resetting permissions to read-only. Maximize the value of your imaging data. With Flywheel, you're not just managing data, you're unlocking its potential. Discover more at Flywheel.io.